Algebra 1 EOC practice test number 4. Which pair best represents a causation relationship? All right, so down here you can see I have the definition for causation is the capacity of one variable to influence another. So just review, but knowing the definition is going to help determine what the best answer is. So causation is when one variable can influence another. So a child's age and shoe size, the number of ice cream cones sold at the amount of sunscreen sold, the temperature at a football game and the number of hot drinks sold, and the number of people attending a ball game and the length of the ball game. All right. A child's age may determine that they have a bigger or smaller shoe size. I don't really think that's a causation though. Number of ice cream sold and the amount of sunscreen. I don't think one of those causes the other. The temperature at a football game and the number of hot drinks sold. Now, the colder it is at a football game, probably the more hot chocolate they're going to sell. So I would think C is the best answer here. The number attending a ball game does not make the ball game longer, so D would not be a good choice. So for number 4, C is the best answer.